Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here bicyclobridged compound is given, which is with alkene and carbonyl. The carbons are specified 1 and 4th carbon. You have to find the configuration of 1 and 4th carbon. Both are chiral. You have to find R and S configuration. Here the structure is rigid, difficult to imagine, so you have to write separately for your understanding. You have to write 1 and 4 separately, then do the priorities. Priority of the first one goes to carbonyl, then alkene, then ethyl, finally fourth one which is on backside. So if you write the configuration, it is our low priority group is backside, so there is no change in configuration. If you look at the 4, it is interesting because low priority group is on front side. So configuration will be reversed. So let us assign that first one will be alkene, second one will be carbonyl, third one will be ethyl, fourth is hydrogen. So hydrogen is on front side. So if you write the configuration, it will come yes. Since hydrogen on front side, configuration is reversed, it is R. So the configuration is 1R and 4R. The concept you have to learn here is low priority group should be on backside. You have to imagine the molecule in the 3D way. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.